I'm Tomayia Colvin, a high school senior photographer and educator from Houston, Texas. Today I'll be talking to you all about 3 quick tips to jumpstart your personal brand. So the very first tip is to be authentic. Sometimes when we start our business, we try to emulate the success and the branding of other people, and that is not the correct way to get started. So most importantly, be authentic when you're working in your personal space and making sure that you are staying tuned into what you actually believe in and things that authentically make you who you are. When you are in that very first step of authenticity and finding your place, the second thing to do there is reconnecting your dots and really reestablishing your brand as to one that you are generally not necessarily satisfied with, because it's always an ever-going process, but one that you are happy to grow with as your business progresses. So after that, step 2, reconnect your dots, making sure that you are starting to put yourself back into your business and aligning yourself with your brand to make sure that it matches your personality and who you authentically are. One of the things that we do as creatives, we look to the legends, we look to those who are, the most popular on social media, and you're like, oh yes, that's what they're doing, that's what we should be doing. But that's not what's going to necessarily make us successful. Step 3 is actually doing the work. This is where you create your brand board. This is where you create your vision board. And this is where I suggest that you launch a passion project that you can actually photograph things that bring you joy and not necessarily happiness, because sometimes we get so caught up in the mundane work of making a financial goal that we lose sight of photography and what brought us to this place in which we are in the first place. And so step 3 is really taking action and going out and doing and creating the brand that you want and that you desire. It's not going to happen overnight. It happens over time. So it took me 6 years to get to where I am today, and I'm still growing as a person, as an artist, as a mom, as a creative, and I'm not done yet. So when you start to think about your brand, when you're taking action, just know that it's not a microwave process, it's more of a crock pot. If I had to tell someone that, I would definitely say trust the process and the journey and enjoy it, and don't try to rush it to make it be what you want it to be like at this exact moment.